which is a monthly screening we hold at ACMI to provide an opportunity to see single-channel arts films and video works from local and international artists in the cinema. On Monday, 17th of Feb, we're hosting our yearly showcase of the Artist Film Workshop, a collective of filmmakers working within the experimental 16mm space. We've just put together a selection of great films which we'll announce tomorrow, so keep an eye on our website and socials for this program. I'll leave the filmmakers to introduce the film in more depth, but I want to say a big thank you to the Document Films team, especially Chris, Sam and John for collaborating with me on this screening and allowing us to host the premiere at ACMI. It's clear by such a strong audience that you've created a great community, not only here in Melbourne, but also through your work in Indonesia, and this really comes through in the film. Please join me in welcoming the filmmaking team to the stage.
Hello, everybody. Thank you so much to Ella and ACMI for having us. It's amazing to have such an incredible audience here. This is a co-production between Delta SangallaTv, a videography company in Toraja, masterminded by this man, Victoria Conda. So if you give him a round. This is Wayo Madani, my co-director, and this is Afika Tasya, the lead translator, and it was part of Sipakatwa, which I'd like to just speak about a little bit. So the film kind of grew out of a residency program between Makassar and Melbourne that we're trying to. We've done an online kind of pilot program, but we're trying to get it going in person between Makassar and Melbourne, and it's between Afifa, Wayu, myself, and Sam Hewison, who kind of started it, and we're trying to grow up from the ground up. Essentially, like it's very difficult to make filmmaking residency programs. They're not common, and I mean, unlike kind of other artist residencies, painting, like you name it, where there's kind of one person going overseas to do a residency elsewhere. Filmmaking is innately collaborative, so it's difficult, and we'd love to hear the input of anyone who's interested in a residency such as this. So if you are interested, please get in touch. But we're not going to say much about the film because you're about to watch it. Yeah, that's kind of all I'd like to say. One thing, Sam Hewison, the lead producer, he can't be here, so we'd really love to thank him and his amazing efforts on this film. Josh Peters, who did the incredible sound work that you're about to hear. I don't know where you are, Josh. John Hewison, who was our cinematographer. And to all of the members of the Delta SangallaTv crew, Victor's crew, who couldn't make it. We couldn't afford 13 tickets from Indonesia to Melbourne, unfortunately, so they can't be with us, but we would have loved them to be here, and we appreciate them hugely. I hope you get something from the film. Thanks a lot.